Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today I cleaned my apartment from top to bottom. I hit every single room and it feels so good to have gotten in and done a full proper clean for the beginning of 2018. I love these days where you just dedicate an entire day to cleaning up your house and it feels so good. At the end of the day, everything just feels amazing. So I feel like I've had quite a productive day and I filmed the entire thing for you and I've put it together in this video for some cleaning motivation. I have done a couple of these videos before and you've seemed to enjoy them, and it's also Motivation Monday, so I've got some cleaning motivation for today's Monday video, and I hope it has inspired you to get up and clean something in your place or set aside a day in the coming weeks to really get in and give your house a good spring clean, even though it might not necessarily be spring. And if you are not inspired to clean, maybe you did just enjoy this video because there is something quite satisfying about watching these sped up cleaning videos. I don't know what it is, but it's really satisfying to watch an entire room just be put back into its rightful place. So I hope you do enjoy, and let's get into cleaning my entire apartment.
Can you hear me tonight? I just keep falling down on my knees. I've been fighting the darkest of wars. All I'm asking is, Lord, give me peace. 'Cause every time I try to make sense of it all, I just feel like I'm close to the edge of the fall, and I'm slowly drifting away, far away on the deepest of seas. The world keeps spinning on. I've forgotten just how to breathe, and I keep running on when I should stand still. Oh, I need to stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Please be with me tonight. I don't like this old game that I'm in, how I want to start over again, but I never know where to begin. 'Cause all I really see is the edge of ahead. I am running on empty. I hang by a thread when I really need to be still. Get away and leave everything. The world keeps spinning on. I've forgotten just how to breathe, and I keep running on when I should stand still. Oh, I need to stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Set me free to fly over the seas, over hills and over the mountains. There I know my soul is at ease. There I drink water from the fountain. The world keeps spinning on. I've forgotten just how to breathe, and I keep running on when I should stand still. Oh, I need to stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Oh, I need to stand still. Stand still. Stand still. When I should stand still. Oh, I need to stand still. Stand still. Stand still.
So that's all of the cleaning that I have done today. I do plan to pick up and do a little bit more tomorrow. yeah, I wasn't really sure if I should like voice over and tell you what I was doing, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Like you can see everything that I was doing. I don't really know. Leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys would like these videos to be put together, because I really don't know. I watch them and then I don't know how to make them. It's very odd. But yeah, so that's everything that I kind of did today. I hope this has inspired you to get cleaning, or you just enjoyed this kind of fast, speedy cleaning video. And up the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I'll leave a link to another one of my videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!